Oh, hi! Welcome back to Sid. I've been out there for ages. That's where I've been. That's not true either. You know that. Sorry to keep you all waiting. As always, seems to become a recurring theme of late, and I'm so sorry. I really have got so much on at the moment, but thank you for bearing with me. However, here we are. Oh my goodness, it's great to see you guys. I'm sorry I've been away, as they say. Kinda. But as you know, for all of us, life gets in the way. And things need to be done. Stuff sorted. Christmas, birthdays, New Year. The list is endless, right? Anywho, it's the New Year. Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to 2023. Let's see what we can make this year. Okay, so, right, what I'm going to do is revisit something I did a couple of years ago, in actual fact, but I never filmed any of it. I've shown photographs of it. But some of you may or may not know what it is. You can use YouTube, obviously, to find snippets of this film. And it's from a film called Mars Attacks. You should 3D print something from this film. Make sure it's the robot.
We come in peace.
Now obviously I'm not going to do everything from the film, and what I'm going to focus on at the moment is the robot that comes across the campsite where the caravans are, where one of the people who in the film are living. So what it does is it bounds across the campsite or the camper site, and he picks up two caravans and smashes them both together. I'll show you a clip of that.
What in the hell is that?
So like I said in the clip before the New Year, I'm going to try and involve you in the whole process, showing you the CADing process, the stages, the software process, obviously the 3D printing process. I won't bore you too much with that because the printer going on down looks the same for any print. And of course the piecing it together, the preparation, the wiring if there's any wiring in it, which there will be. And obviously the painting. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to bore you with each and every section of the CAD process. This is where it all began. So we're just working out the torso and where the glass dome is going to fit into it. Further down the line, clearly I've been adding bits to this. I'm not going to show you how boring adding all the bits of CAD and creating them all are. But just adding sections like the hip sections and the arms that will be joined a little bit later. This is almost complete now. Just getting all the scales together, making sure everything fits properly, colouring it so I can work out what it will look like properly. These sections I'll probably print separately. I've just got the claws, which as you can see here I have now added. So there's lots of other detail parts that have been added to all these sections, like the wrist sections, the elbows, the shoulders obviously, and the claws have now been created. So I'm just spinning it around trying to show you the clear dome and the bridge section inside the dome, which will have a small creature inside it. This is where the torso section was imported into Pt1 software. so you'll be able to see how I've decided to support it. I'm going to print that first and we'll build it up from there, and hopefully it'll all come together nicely. But I'm obviously not going to bore you with each and every piece and part. I may show you parts of this section in YouTube, or it'll be seconds for you guys. So I'll just show you the bits and bobs and we'll put it all together, and we should end up with a robot hopefully. Right then, let's make a start on this print. And the first thing we're going to do is load it into the machine. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with what I think is the biggest part of the item, which is the main torso itself. I'm not going to make a glass dome because I can't, not going to lie. So what I'm going to use is half of a clear acrylic Christmas bauble. Fortunately, it's exactly the right size. Well, that's all the caddy stuff done. It's been put into the slices, sliced, and ready for printing. Unfortunately, that's for another day. Because all this cadding and slicing and getting ready for printing stuff takes time. And this is a long enough video as it is. So I think we'll move on next time. For now, fantastic to see you. Finally getting on with something. Have a great day. Look after yourself. And as always, take care.